miraculous law of attraction prayer affirmation to get everything that you want. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, and let me share that with you so you can use it today to create a miracle. Here's what you say. Dear universe, I am totally open to something amazing coming my way today. Dear universe, I am totally open to something amazing coming my way today. You see, we forget that we co-create with the universe. We forget that we can tell the universe what we're open to receiving. You know, it's much like when you're out on the ocean with a kayak. You get to where you want to get kind of by the water, but in part because you're steering it, you're giving the canoe, the kayak direction upon the water in which to work. Well, the same is so with your intentions. So here it is. Dear universe, I'm totally open to something amazing coming my way. Comment yes down below if that's you. Comment yes down below if that's you. Think about how many amazing things there are out there that are available to you if you're thinking, oh yeah, that's easy for him to say. Think about it. We got the internet, you've got a phone or the computer in order to listen to this. You've got the money obviously for the internet, or somebody that you love does. You're here today, you're in this place where there's so much beauty. We're connected all around the world in a matter of seconds from a text message. You fly across the world in almost no time. There's so many opportunities to create the business that you want, to find the friendships that you want, to find beauty, to go out in nature, to explore a new adventure. Dear universe, I am totally open to something amazing coming my way today. Comment yes down below if that's true for you. Use this affirmation, use this prayer. Take a 3x5 card, and if you don't have one, pull a scrap piece of paper and write it down. Dear universe, I'm totally open to something amazing coming my way today. Try to repeat that 100 times today. Carry it with you in your pocket. Say it to you while you're walking to work. Say it to you while you're driving to work. Say it to yourself when you're in the shower. Dear universe, I'm totally open to something amazing coming my way today, because miracles are normal. Think about it. The fact that we are here is a miracle in and of itself. Comment yes down below if you're ready for a miracle. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. Say yes to life, say yes to abundance, say yes to the miracle that is. It's all around. Let's just ask the universe for permission. Download my free success hypnosis down below, jakeshypnosis.com, to train your subconscious mind for success and abundance. Press the subscribe button in the corner right over there. Take your 3x5 card out with a smile on your face and take that message out into the world, because we need your positive energy to make the world an even more inspired and positive place to live in.